Yeah, when I first heard this goal, I thought it was achievable. The reason being, I've been to China many times over the last 30 years, and I've seen with my own eyes magnificent progress towards poverty reduction in many parts of China. So I see the momentum towards poverty reduction, and the plan for reduction was very clear. So I was very positive that this goal would be achieved. And my understanding is that it's almost achieved at this point already. That process of data collection and targeting, I think, is a very good program. Very clear, very focused, very scientific approach. And I think it's shown great progress. And I think that's the best way to move forward. And I think we in Africa, especially South Africa, we should be doing the same thing. We should also focus on where the poverty is and work out a scientific method of measuring and correcting that problem. It could be time consuming, but I think it's worth it in the long run. For my evaluation of China's central government's determination to reduce poverty, I think it's outstanding. It's an excellent approach.